Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the camera app and switching straight to cinematic mode. This puts the S23 into its depth-aware capture. Next, set frame rate, choose 24 FPS for a cinematic feel or 30 FPS for smoother motion, and select 4K if you want higher detail. Once done, confirm resolution and stabilization options so your phone applies them during capture. Make sure to grant permissions if prompted. Then frame your subject and get ready to record with depth tracking active. Now compose the shot and tap the subject to set primary focus. This tells cinematic mode where to measure depth. Use the exposure slider to tweak brightness, slide up or down until skin tones and highlights read correctly. If the subject moves predictably, lock focus so the S23 keeps the subject sharp while background blurs adjust naturally. Also watch the depth indicators. If needed, move slightly closer or farther to improve edge detection for smoother background separation as you record. Press record and use slow, deliberate camera movement to create natural rack focus effects. Short, jerky moves break the illusion. While recording, keep subject contrast against background so the S23's depth algorithm reads edges accurately, and once finished, open the clip in Gallery to fine-tune depth and bokeh strength. If depth looks off, stop and check the lens for smudges, retoggle cinematic mode, or reframe with clearer contrast. Cleaning the lens often fixes false depth maps quickly, so try that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.